Okay, that's Kiran for you.
Yeah, and I would be talking about Mr. Perfect number one, Roger. And first time I met Roger Anna. I mean, first time I've seen Roger Anna. It was with Mariaka, and Mariaka just came out of the Black Santro and. No, listen. Roger Anna gave Roger Anna gave issue. What a caring brother. I mean. And then Maria comes to the lift. Hi, I'm Maria. Hi. And then this is my husband Roger.
Oh.
Not shattered, but I usually don't do miscalculations, you know. Most of the time. So yeah, and later on, like after I started talking to Roger Anna. Roger Anna is very friendly, very humble, and very helpful. I've stayed in Maratpalli and we've shared good times.
Edwin.
Edwin.
छोटा बच्चा
I call him.
We both share same history.
No, I call him my younger brother. His mother likes me more than she likes him. I feel he's gonna grow in BC3 and
He is so tall. What do you want him to do?
Hey, Nikudu grow at Lagu.
Advin has what is required, you know, to be in the ministry team, and I see that talent in him, and he's good with the sound, and I see that he's picking up you know, the guitar and even bassist. Bassist. So that's what. So I wish you all the very best in whatever you do, and I hope your dreams come true. That IHF thing just work on it and it will come to pass. Next.
Binaka.
Binaka, I thought first some auntie in Binaka's mummy and Mrs. Francis, that league. I thought, you know, from that league. I thought, but that was the first impression. And later on,
I didn't learn anything.
But then it was when Peter Anna's family came, and that's when I went to Binaka's house, and then we started talking, and I got to know Binaka, and even I learned a lot from Binaka. How to survive. I mean, my survival skills thing, I picked up few points from Binaka. Yeah, like how to smile that, I mean, I picked up from Binaka. Survival skills.
The legend.
The patience and all, you know.
The legend.
The legend.
The legend.
Is that it? Let's jump to Renal.
Okay, next.
Should I tell everything now or private?
Few things. Raja.
Everything now or in private?
Only uncensored.
Raja.
Then nothing. Actually, I got to know Renal like just before I was leaving his house. I mean, we used to talk and all, but most of the times my mind was, I mean, whenever he's around or whenever most of them, like, you know, I always used to think of something or the other, and it was like during the, you know, last days in the sense like October, November, December. That's when I got to know Renald, and one amazing quality in Renald is, you know, he forgives people very easily. Forgives in the sense like something bad happens. Okay, I shouted him. I never shouted at him. Say just in case I shout at him, this, that, and it's like, you know, end of our friendship, end of
Let's say
everything.
Joel shouts at him.
That's a different thing.
No, so say something like this happens. Okay, next day morning he'll talk to you as if, you know, nothing has happened, and the same chemistry which was there before the fight, it goes on. So the forgiving thing is really good in Renault.
Short-term memory loss.
Gajriya, Regini.
That's I see that in very few people. So, and no doubt we all shared great times together. Panasalipuram and VC3. Yeah.
Anji chai.
Kiran.
Karen, I love you, Karen.
First time.
So sweet.
फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे सामने किसको बोल रहे
That's too much.
मेरी बहन है रे, इसलिए
That's too much.
बोले नहीं.
Too much that she can.
I love Karen, Shanti, and whenever I used to go to Bina's place,
तेरे रिलेशन चल
they used to treat me as if they've had.
Kaiku lolli kar raha pot market
Let me talk about Karen. Yeah, so the treatment I used to get was like how Vicky gets with Mona Dina, the same treatment.
So sweet.
I don't know if they listen to Binaka, but if me and
Listen to
David,
you.
if they go, get this, they used to do, and whatever they are doing, like if they are doing some drawing and they are on the verge of finishing it. If we used to tell something, they used to do it for us. And,
But if they're watching cartoon, they'll watch the cartoon, finish it and go.
for me, they used to do it. No, they did it for me. So
Yeah, they love
I'm there for you.
अपन नंबर नीचे से मांग
Hi, Bella. Diana.
You too, Kiran.
Okay, Anya. Ta-ta.
Aniaka is more close to me. Leonana is more close to Aniaka.
He didn't say anything. What did he say?
See, I have no.
I didn't.
I think I have more than 15 elder sisters, my cousins, and none of them.
It's as short as Ali.
They were like namesake akkas, and yeah, exactly that's what I used to feel, and I expected a lot from them, but then nothing happened. So, anyways, so Aniaka was like, yeah, no, not one of them. She treated me like her own brother, like Joel and Renan. Yeah. I'll think and tell later. Diana.
It's okay. Just tell your heart. Speak your heart out. Because she was the one who asked one word about me, one word about me.
Keeping in mind everything and everything.
So you can start.
I'll start now. Diana was one of the
Your panic group leader.
very few people who started talking to me when I came to VC3, and later on I got to know that Diana runs a Connect group, and I am put in that Connect group, and so she asked me.
No,
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Then I told Diana about my that I'm going to apply. Yeah, about my dream, and she was like, Kiran.
Wait.
Kiran.
Thrice. Uncle sir,
Please stop that scene.
Okay. No disturbance. No disturbance.
Kiran, and she gave me that clay example. Clay is not a clay until it is put on a potter's wheel. The same example David and I gave. He told her.
That's how you have to connect it on phone.
they're connected. They're connected in the spirit realm.
No, listen. Yeah, Diana was, when you all were busy, you all were not talking to me. Diana was the one who used to come and talk to me. And you all, most of you all were not talking to me. She used to make it a point to follow up, and I think we should pick up from Diana. We should,
Yes.
take tips and Yeah,
Tips how
about
to talk about Potter's Whale and
Potter.
We also should start giving that
no,
example.
actually,
Potter's Whale.
if it was not Diana and
The Potter's Whale.
no, I also used to talk to David Anna in the beginning, but
That was
Diana was the
Potter.
one who used to follow up. And if it was not Diana, then probably I would have gone to some other church because before coming to EC3, I went to Narayanguda Baptist Church and Aegis, and nobody cared. Like I went there, and I came back. Nobody spoke to me. So I was like, "Arey, churches here are like this only, I guess. So I better stop going." And, yeah. So I thank Diana for making me feel very comfortable here, and you are one of the reasons that I am still here in EC3. Thank you so much.
చెప్పండి నీ గురించి వన్ వన్
And also we shared great times. I remember once Diana's bike got punctured and she called David Anna. And I was like, why David Anna?
everybody might
Why David Anna?
How did you do this, David?
Because he has long mustache.
because he has a puncture shop.
Before that,
His name.
just before that, Diana came out of the lift and I took stairs for some reason. And then
David Anna
I
was
heard her saying, "Hello, David." And I think David Anna said, "Where are you?" Diana said, "In your heart." Which David? And then bike got punctured and she called David Anna.
I can get all secrets out. నేను ఇంటికి పోతున్నా నేను ఇంటికి పోతున్నా it broke my heart.
Bas.
Dianaka, I love you, Dianaka.
Next.
సంగీత బిజిలాని
Sangeeta. Well,
బిజిలి బిజిలి
first time when I saw
enter in the marriage.
first time when I saw Sangeeta Dolly, I mean, I have this, whenever I see few girls, I think, okay, these girls, are like this, these girls are like this, and Sangeeta and Dolly, I thought, are very adamant. I should never ever talk to these girls. Let them only come and talk to me, but I'm not going to send them friend request on Facebook.
Please guys, note this. He
Later
said,
I'm
and
going
we
to
all
go and
said
talk.
he's very friendly. He talks to everybody. Okay.
This is what this was the first impression, and but then it was all. Again, my calculation went wrong. and
As always.
like Sangeeta is a very good friend of mine now. Though we don't know much about each other, but from whatever I know, like she's a very good person, and we all had good time in the church. And I wanted to do a lot for the wedding, but I couldn't. And I'm sorry. I didn't. Many more I want to tell, but right now my mind is blank. So
యానివర్సరీ వస్తుంది అప్పుడు
And he'll give you a party now.
he'll give.
Take his anniversary party before you go.
He will give. A man will stick to his word.
Kiran
Correct.
Sunanti.
You hate Sunanti's number.
Soon.
Tsunami auntie.
Tsunami auntie. She came like a tsunami. Tsunami auntie. She came like a tsunami in the sand.
No.
Hey, we spoke about
With a roaring rosa.
Dina Bank. Dina Bank గురించి చెప్పు. Dina Bank.
No, Sunanti not over.
Battery
Where is it over? It's
Dina
not
Bank.
over.
Okay, uncle, start.
Yeah, Mariaka.
Yeah.
It's
It's okay.
No, okay.
Tissue is
Mariaka also. She just
Also.
said hi in the beginning, and then
But
I thought, arey, all these people, they'll come, they'll talk to you for 5 minutes, and that's it. They'll leave you, and they won't make you comfortable. Then nobody comes and talks to you. Then Diana was talking about. So later on, after 2 or 3 weeks, then Mariaka, I could talk to Mariaka, and then she told me that.
No, I
Told me in the beginning only. No. So yeah, then after a few weeks, she spoke to me, and then she was telling me about the connect groups, other connect groups, and all that, and that's when I started talking to Mariaka. Mariaka is a very good person.
Maritpalli.
I stayed in Maritpalli, and
You took Pappu from
We used to have dal. We used to have dal.
And then
Turn on the motor.
no, and this was when I shifted to Maritpalli, and then I didn't know where the switchboard was on, and so I was trying to figure out. Suddenly this voice, Meg! I was like, what on earth is this? Meg, put on the motor, Meg! Then I realized it's my neighbor Mariaka. Jokes apart, Mariaka and many of my friends from VC3, I owe them a lot. I'm not able to put in words, but
No words at all. It's beyond words.
no. Listen. No, when I was out of options, and when I was out of options, and my Mariaka,
Give you another option.
yeah, she was always like
He is staring behind.
What options?
options like Mariaka, when I was out of food or anything, like I used to come to you and you never let me go empty-handed, Akka. That really means a lot. I didn't have any money those days, and even 10 rupees used to matter, Akka. And that time, like one full meal, it means a lot. I know the value. After this hard time.
Next to Dina.
Yeah, thank you so much, and
మనం ఫ్యామిలీ ఏం చెప్పుకోవద్దు.
no, Amen, Akka. I have more to tell about you.
కామా పెడదాం తర్వాత మనం.
No, Akka.
మరి ఎక్కడికే తీసుకొస్తుందిరా?
Mariaka, you are
rock.
amazing kind of group leader, and whenever you used to substitute youth service for David Anna, you used to do an amazing job, Akka. I used to get touched, and no, really.
మాకు అర్థమైపోయింది నువ్వు ఏం చెప్పాలి.
We can add it.
Yeah, we can understand.
I see you going places, Akka.
She went everywhere. Australia.
No.
US, Australia.
Texas.
That she's
US
going
Texas
anyway,
garage
but-
job.
But
Yes.
in church,
US Texas garage
Even
job.
if she don't want, she'll go because they have leader.
so I see you going. I mean, you have that thing, Akka, like when you whenever you give a message or anything, like you make it so relevant that it stays in our head. We understand that. Thank you so much.
కాదు రెనాల్డ్ గురించి మనం చెప్తావా?
మళ్ళీ చెప్తా.
అన్ని నిజాలు ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్తాను.
Dina Bank. Why didn't you all come to VC3 early? Why didn't you?
ఏ వికీ వికీ అప్పుడు వాడికి పెళ్లి కాలేదా?
But fine, I know they're coming now regular.
Yeah,
అచ్చా డేవిడ్ మామ
though I don't know much of you, from what I understood, like you all care a lot for Vicky, and I always thought, I wish my sister was like that. She is good, but she doesn't help me like how you guys help. So I always thought that.
వీళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా కేరన్ శాంతి
Please come to VC3. It's an amazing church, and these people will be there for you when you really need people to be around and to stand up for you, and when you need a shoulder to cry upon. All these people will be there. So please come and get blessed.
Yes. Be blessed.
సింగం.
సింగం. నిజం.
Okay.
నువ్వు సగం స్టోరీ ఇక్కడ చెప్పిన వాళ్ళని.
That is the female version.
కెమెరామెన్
Okay, we are talking about it.
Singam David.
Okay, David Anna.
David Anna.
David Anna.
David Anna.
మై బాబ్
Arey, listen, Ray.
రెడీ మామ్?
Ready, no?
ఆ.
David Anna, our favorite
Yes.
Yes.
We used to be very happy
Thumbs up.
whenever we saw him on the stage.
Yeah, whenever we saw him on the stage, of the stage, his presence is like no hallelujah. So, in the beginning, when he used to come and talk to me, I used to be like, hey David, hey dude. And no, I used to go and talk to him. I didn't know. I was like, okay, somebody and he's playing guitar, and that's what David and I mean, that's what I thought of him initially. But then later on, when I got to know David and like, okay, I have many things to learn from him, so maybe I should, meet him regularly. His Connect group, I should go there and take a leaf out of him. Like how to put. It's very difficult to practice Bible in our daily lives, and David Anna is one of them who, from what I've seen, he does that in his day-to-day life, and that I understood in the initial days. And like Diana's example, David Anna also used to give similar examples. Potter's wheel, and I used to look at his mustache. Nikenda hu. Problem
అన్న కొట్టేసి మరి డోర్ మూసేస్తుంది
Yeah. Yeah, but otherwise,
unruly boys.
when
Who's saying?
youth service started, David Anna was the one who used to
మీ స్కూల్ గురించి ఏదో చెప్తున్నావు కదా
no that I thought, but yeah, I had good time in the Connect group with David Anna. Whatever he used to share, no, that helped me a lot. All the times in the Connect group, the prayer, David Anna used to pray for me right from the initial Connect group days, Friday prayers, Connect group, and thank you so much Anna for persistently praying for me, and like all of us, like David Anna on when he was giving a message on array wait
Please, guys, lines and ladies.
yeah, youth service, I was blessed. So got distracted. Yeah.
Next.
స్తోత్రం అంట
Anna, I owe you a lot, David Anna. I picked up many things from you. Being humble is what I picked up from you. I didn't have that quality. I used to find it very uncool to talk to old people or to do anything, but this being humble and being patient and all, like I picked it up from you, Anna, really. Maybe you don't realize that you are being humble and you are being patient and all, but we all see, we realized, and if any good, I mean, in these good things, many are the ones which I picked up from you. Really, I'm not saying this. I always wanted to tell this.
Now Hindi వచ్చేస్తాను. Next. Parrot. No.
ఏమైంది
రాజా. రాజా.
More to say about David Anna, but I'll
Vishal.
దేర్ మనసనా
tell him personally.
ఎట్ ఎట్ దేర్ మనసనా
We'll go to Vishal.
అన్న ఫోన్ P for parrot. Hey, putti.
పడే చెప్పు.
Vishal.
రాజా.
Yeah,
కల్లు మామ.
రాజా.
Vishal, my partner in crime. One of my partners in crime.
Other partner.
The Bakra in crime.
The Bakra in crime, and
Anything.
one of the, what to say, Shagird of the legendary legends.
మీ మామలా?
మా మామూలు.
ఓకే.
Legendary.
Yeah, the Amrutavani days, me, Vishal, David Manisha, we all had great times. We all had great times, and I've seen him working very hard for the church, and I always used to think I could really give the commitment which Vishal gives to the church, like all the time being present. Even if Anna used to call him at 9 o'clock home, 9 o'clock in the morning, he used to answer his call and come and do church work, and 9 in the night. And if I was in his place, I would have thought twice. Whatever, like, he's very humble, and and also he's been a very good friend, and we've had really good times. And during my tough times, like he's one of the guys who was there with me. And whenever I was frustrated or anything, I used to make him stop the bike. I used to take him somewhere and pour my heart out, and he used to take it, listen, and then and thank you for that, Vishal.
Hey Raja.
He's getting into emotional.
Nose cover.
Okay, next.
Joel
Babu.
Joel.
Yeah, we'll talk about Joel.
Joel the
G
guitar.
card la maatladala.
No, actually, when I was staying with Leonana and all at Renan's place, and Joel used to do a lot of work at home, and it was like reverse, as if
He's a guy.
no,
No, you are the owner of the house.
I am the owner of the house. He is the guest. I used to get up at 11:30, 12, 1:32, and this fellow this poor guy used to get up at 6:30, do work and all. And whenever I used to get up, he used to come to me
And bring tea.
And man, I love you for that. Seriously, after doing so much, after taking shuntings from auntie sometimes, and your college thing, which is very stressful, I understand, because you travel by bus, and after taking Reynolds flight. After all this, like you if I was in your place, I wouldn't have done this guest, for somebody whom you didn't know all these years, who comes and stays in your place. I wouldn't have done, and I love you for that.
Edwin.
Babu.
Okay. Enoch.
Hey, the big guy.
The small.
Small, the dynamite, the chutari church. Wilson. The very first time I saw Wilson playing,
Then you said, why is he so short?
no, he.
Lily?
I was amazed to see the way he plays his drums. The very first time I was like, I don't know the technicalities and all, but then I mean, all that doesn't matter for people who don't know. We come and whatever happens, like we just enjoy. So I enjoyed it a lot, and I was like, what is this guy? It is 9th or 10th standard, and look at that talent, and most of the times.
Why is he so short?
क्या आया उसमें फिर?
till I think till 2012, like he didn't open up, and I also thought Wilson is a kid, and I don't relate to him. But then once we started talking, and we started our bonding increased,
Then you
and
understood he's a bachelor.
yeah, he used to
He understood he was a dynamite.
I understood he's a dynamite. Even he has this never give up attitude, and so whatever your dream, whatever you told me, you just stick to it, and I'm sure you
Your dream will come
will reach.
Cloud 69.
Cloud 9. Now Cloud 19.
Ina.
Gosh.
Prakash.
I don't remember meeting David Enoch in the initial days, though we both came at the same time. I think I remember talking to him since mid of
2012.
or starting of 2012. Till then, I used to feel he was like a guest who comes and goes, and this guy should not open up. But from the time I started talking to him, I always, from the time he started coming to Friday prayer, I was always amazed by the quality, how he prays to God. Like I wanted to take a leaf out of that. I wanted to ask him to teach me how to pray to God, because, and other than that, he's a bundle of talent,
Yes.
and a very dear friend, and our cashier.
Yes.
And I owe him 6,000 rupees, which I'm going to send him.
That's
I'm going to send him in Western Union or MoneyGram. So
With the interest is 12,000.
I would take it as a gift.
What about my 10,000? Now
10,000 akka.
Hey Raja, cut. Next.
$700.
Okay. Next, Vicky.
Mahalipatnam.
ఇది ఒకసారి ఇట్లా
Vicky Dada.
ఇది
So Vicky was one of those guys who used to keep to themselves, not come and talk to new people, and that's what after 2 or 3 months I went and I took the initiative and I went and spoke to him. But
What a sad story.
Sad start.
I went and spoke
Sad
to him.
starter.
Wait,
And
the best thing.
Sad end.
though after that also, like he used to not, I wouldn't say mingle, he used to keep it to himself, and by then I already already had friends. So and after time passed, and though because there were no options, because we had very few people in the youth service, we were forced to talk to each other.
What is that?
What happened that I think?
Finally you spoke. Next.
Finally I spoke. And my mind is blank. No, finally we spoke, and later on I also understood that Vicky is a very nice human being,
Awful.
Yeah, being human.
and
T-shirt
after I got to know how secretly he planned up Sangeeta.
Sketch.
I thought
Badmash.
Next human.
I thought
What did he learn from Vicky అంటే సీక్రెట్ గా ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటూ పెళ్లి. So he's planning something like ఏదో ఉన్నది. That he learned from Vicky. చాలా మంచి tip.
that was a
Vicky
that
Michaels.
was a
ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చి.
That was Vicky Michael for you.
David Manisa.
no
The
I'm
Batman.
not done.
He's not done.
And yeah, so from the time we started talking, and
ఇక్కడ లేనోళ్ళు ఎవరికైనా గురించి
Vicky was the one who used to tell me to, one of the people who used to tell me to come to church on a regular basis. He used to tell me to come to youth service. I don't know if you remember or no, but you did tell me. We spoke down.
I remember.
Yeah.
అండ్ ఇక్కడ లేనోళ్ళ గురించి ఎవరి గురించి అని మాట్లాడాలి.
అన్న అక్క.
మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతా. And more about Vicky Michael, but I'll also email him because now my mind is blank.
Secret.
Been talking since 20 minutes.
తప్పుకోడు కొట్టిండు బ్లాక్.
the one and only, the main.
Manase, the Batman.
Mani kalture.
Jagni,